Hello traders. I will review how to blow up an account. This expert advisor trading activity is very active. In a day can open a transaction position up to 30 open positions. And for 1 week using the Smart Machine Expert Advisor the results were quite good. On one of mifxbook.com accounts, Smart Machine Expert Advisors have been proven to generate profits from 2018 until now. In the previous video I shared a free expert advisor called EA Smart Machine. And if you don't have a Smart Machine EA Forex Expert Advisor, you can visit the website that I have created at tradeea.com. At tradeea.com I provide screenshots of the results of trading using the Smart Machine EA Expert Advisor. Can you pay attention to this? Okay. From the results of a real trading account. Already got a total gain of 9,818.47%. From 2018 until now in December 2022. This expert advisor is still active today. You can see the update information 47 minutes ago. (66% win ratio and 34% loss ratio), while the resulting profit factor is 1.61. You can also see here the results of the best pair summary Euro to US dollar and the second pound sterling to US dollar. And for other information you can pay attention to the hourly, daily, risk of ruin tabs and others. In 2022, from December to January, you always get profits without any minuses. For 2021 there is a minus in June. I will also show in previous years. You can pay attention to this. Okay, now we move on to the terminal MetaTrader 4 which I run using the Expert Advisor Forex Smart Machine EA. The pair that I use are only Euro to US dollar and pound sterling to US dollar. And the settings that I use are like this. I started observing on December 21, 2022. Or about 1 week. The capital I use here is $1,000. And made a profit of $152.87. Currently still experiencing floating -$1 and 25 cents. For more details I will show it on mifxbook.com. I previously connected my trading account Smart Machine EA to mifxbook.com. From a capital of $1,000 for 1 week this drawdown is only 3.72%. And an estimated month can generate a profit of 13.18%. You can also see here the balance growth. In this 1 week, 273 transactions were opened. This is quite a large number of transactions, even though it's only been a week. 67% profit ratio and 33% loss ratio. The resulting profit factor is 2.06. Further optional information. Okay, this is the result on the profit generated for 1 week in December 2022. I will also show you the transactions that occurred from the candlestick chart history. This is the history of transactions that occurred in the euro to US dollar pair. And this is the history of transactions that occurred in the pound sterling to US dollar pair. Looks like a lot of open transactions. Up here the video regarding the review of trading results using the Smart Machine EA. I will still see the results of trading more deeply. I'll see the results after a month more. To see actual results over a longer period of time. Make sure you before using real money, you try on a demo account or on a send account. To avoid losses when observing expert advisors. And do not use money that you are not prepared to lose. Forex trading is a high-risk investment. I hope you can be successful trading using the expert advisor that I shared. Watch other videos related to expert advisors on this channel if you haven't watched them.